So it's that time of the year. It's that time of my life when we're back at Piakwe International Airport now. So this is a weird way to start a video, but I had to do something before you just see a bunch of plane shots. So I'll explain when we're going when we get there, and that's what it's gonna be. Actually, I'll tell you now. Let's go to Guyana.
Don't worry, just because I need to leave don't mean I'm sick of us, of you and me. I'm just not good at showing sympathy.
Okay, so we have boarded Caribbean Airlines, big up you, and we are just waiting to take off. But before we do, brothers and sisters, and we are celebrating our birthdays in Guyana this year. There's a lot of covering on this plate. Yeah, so we're off to Guyana to celebrate our birthdays.
Give me a break. I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
We are here, we have arrived, we are safe, we landed. The landing was kind of rough, like that plane fall kind of hard. I was like, oh, okay. I feel like the insides were about to come out the bottom, but no problem. Oh no. So we are here. We are with our driver and we are heading to the hotel to check in, and yeah, it wasn't bad going through immigration, I guess fairly quickly, so we love that for us. But yeah,
I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I love the way you look me in the eyes when you joke up but can't apologize, cause you are too afraid to hurt your pride. I guess you were just so misunderstood. You know I'm never truly gone for good. If I could look inside your brain, you know I would. You know I would. You know I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. Cause I wanna be better than I was before, but I can't do it if we don't mature. Not angry anymore, just a little bit let down.
hello. So we've arrived a while now at our hotel, and we are staying at the Grand Coastal Hotel in Georgetown, I want to say. I think that's accurate. So yeah, we're staying at the Grand Coastal Hotel. Off the bat, very hospitable service, and they were all, quite nice, especially the guy outside who greeted us. He was nice. So we love that. We appreciate that always. The room is ginormous. There is a separate living room area with an with a door to close it off. There is a kitchenette with an island, 2 couches, as you have seen, and an entire balcony that spans, in addition to the very big bed and the very big room. So interesting. I've never been at a hotel room this big, so that is cool. I am not upset about that at all. Right now we just lounging a little bit, trying to figure out what's the plan. We may go to the mall, so if we do, I will bring you guys along. But yeah, just chilling.
I'm not angry anymore, just a little bit let down. Just a little bit let down. I'm not angry anymore, just a little upset now. I'm just a little...
So we took a taxi to Movitown, Guyana. So we are at Movitown, Guyana now, and we ordered some pizza from Amori's Pizza. We are eating our pizza and we are extremely hungry because this is going to be the first thing that we've had for the day, other than a cookie. So when we are finished eating and we have energy, we will walk around the mall and check it out and all that good stuff. So we finally got the pizza. We waited like half an hour for this, and we took 14-inch pizza. Alright, let's eat, I guess. Alright, so Movie Town really wasn't saying nothing. We ate pizza that was very small and we are still hungry. Anyway, there's another mall that's close by called Giftland Mall, so that's where we're at now. Already it looks a little bit more lively and more things to see because that Movie Town just did not have anything. So this may be an actual mall. So let's see.